don't know. I don't know. At least that's something. I think they let it inside though at some point after dark. Because I think when I picked up the Diamondback last month, I don't think he was outside. Might have been, but that was like a little after 5. I got home at like 5:38, 5:40, and I thought it was like 6:30 because I forgot what time I left. But it was like a 10 or 11 minute walk each direction, so not too much. I just forgot what time I had left, so I assumed it was a little later because it got dark as I was walking and it was already pitch black. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment how much you hate my squeaky bike. The squeaky wheel gets the grease or whatever. Should have went a little quicker. Ooh. See you next time. Bye.